Hi, and welcome to my next Brush Secrets video. In this one, I'll be teaching you about angle, which just means the amount your calligraphy is leaning. Upright or leaning right over, it's up to you. But whatever angle you choose, you must keep it consistent. Make sure you keep all your downstrokes parallel through your piece of work. Can you see how these thick strokes are all at the same angle? The angle you use is a design choice. There's no right or wrong. And just like with body shape, it can have a huge impact on the style of your lettering. Upright, fun and informal. Use a steeper angle and your brush calligraphy looks more traditional. There's a lot to consider, so enjoy making each letter form with a slow and deliberate movement. And I'll see you next time for Bounce.